Hey friends, this is the Mrs. Wolfie from Our Half Acre Homestead, and our friends at LetPot have sent me a product to preview. A smart 4-in-1 hydroponics growing system. Okay, let's do the unboxing first. I've already taken it out of the box that it came in. Okay, what do we have here? This is Great to Meet You LetPot Max Hydroponics Growing System. Okay. We got stickers for some reason, I don't know. Grow smarter, harvest better. Okay. Let's see if we can't just pull this out. Like so. It's beautifully packaged. Now, today you're going to get the unboxing. We're going to see how it all works. But then I'm going to set it up and get it started and then do updates on it. And come July, near the end of July, there's going to be a coupon code if you like what you've seen. So I'm going to unbox it today. And then I will do another video on the setup. All right, let's get started. This is what we have in the box. Is the light panel. There's an extendable rod. Let me turn this around so you can see it. The tablecloth is not helping. There's an extendable rod that you can lift. This is your light panel. And you just put your hand in like this and lift. All right, look. And it goes up. This thing goes really high. Look at how high the light panel goes. That's awesome. So you can grow things that get really tall. So this is the fruit big plant growing tray. This is, I guess, the one for smallers. It doesn't say. Standard growing tray. Okay, for smaller plants. This is the big basket and the big sponge. Okay, here is the two baskets that go into this tray, right? And here are the sponges that you start them in, right? Can you see that? So that's for the big tray. And this must be the water hose. It doesn't, and these are the small baskets that go in here. These are the sponges for the small basket. This is a hydroponic system, so we're going to be planting things, I think, in these sponges. But we will read the instructions when it comes time. And now what's this? Okay, these are support rods. And this is going to go in here, and while your thing is germinating, you put these little covers on. Okay? And you put these little covers on until they germinate. This is awesome. Alright, that's sponges. These are germination covers and cell covers that for the ones we're not using. Very cool. Now, what also, plant food for herbs and vegetables, flowers and more. Well, there's the nutrients. Let's hope they last. And it has a time, oh, this is controlled by Wi-Fi. Water level, plant mode. Okay, power on, off. Whoa, is that ever bright? Light mode control and brightness adjustment. Flower and fruit. And that is veg and herb. That's one mode, fruit or herb and whatever, and that one is fruit and veg. Okay. This is a beautifully constructed thing. My only concern is, am I going to be able to follow the instructions? But there it is. There is our LetPot Max Hydroponics Growing System. We got stickers. And we will be back when I start the germinating process. I'm going to put it over in the corner on my old sewing machine. And when I get it all set up, I will show you how the seeds and everything get germinated. And then I will keep you posted on how it's growing. And around the 22nd of July, there's going to be a big sale with coupon codes, as far as I know. So let's see how this works. And it's going to take about a month. So let's see how this works. I'll do a video on setting this up, and then you'll get updates. And then in July, near the end of July, there's going to be a big sale. Okay? This is Mrs. Wolfie from Our Half Acre Homestead saying, thank you, LetPot. I hope I don't let you down. I hope I can understand the directions. Mwah! Take care. God bless.